Ready? Okay, Devin, what animal's this?
A monkey.
A monkey. And where does the monkey live?
In the tree.
In the trees. And what color is the monkey's fur?
Brown.
Brown, right. What does the monkey eat?
Banana.
A banana. And who's the monkey's best friend?
Butter.
The spider. And what does the monkey use to swing in the trees? Its tail. Very good. And what animal is this? The lizard. And where does the lizard live?
The rock.
Under a rock, right. And what color are the lizard's scales? What color is this? Say blue.
Blue.
Very good. And green and red. Oh, you want to change the page? What are these, Devin?
Burger.
Right. And who's this? And what animal's this?
Ricky.
What animal's this?
Ricky.
Frog. Say ribbit. Yes. What? Can you say frog?
Go.
You're all done? You want to go to the next one? What animal's this?
Got it.
Tiger. And where does the tiger live?
On